just got told.
I got told to go outside.
Just got told. So then let's go outside.
Well,
I'm gonna drive you to the ground if you don't put your arm out.
no.
You got 2 seconds.
First of all, I'm not here for
The 22nd of January 2026, Palm Beach, Florida. Police responded to a grocery store disturbance. 2 men were arrested. One sustained a laceration during the arrest.
It's the one with the door being loud and it's split for pieces. I'm not there.
The other guy? So both of them are getting out. Alright, hello gentlemen.
No.
We're gonna have a party.
No.
No party?
No party. No party.
What is going on?
So basically he's saying, use your credit card.
Okay, so number
Do not
one,
talk. Let's get over there. What are you doing? I want you not to talk. I would like to talk.
you don't
Please.
dictate who speaks.
You're talking?
You don't dictate who speaks.
All right. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All now he told you go up and you go down to the ground. I told her, and I'm not well.
Oh, stop.
Wait a minute. Hold on, please. Ow!
That gives us a better reason to put you in handcuffs, especially if you're bipolar and you're not well.
Okay, but I can calm myself down right now.
Wow. Everyone, we have one detainee right
Have a seat. I'm gonna
Sit.
help you.
now. Sit. You ready?
Sure.
1, 2,
Whoa.
3. Put your butt down.
Is there any chance I can stand?
No. Because when you act like that,
Okay. I can hurt me.
sit.
No one's hurting me. No, the cuffs are hurting me. Okay.
Well, you should have
they're cuffed.
behaved. Sit.
So, sit down.
You can do it. I believe in you.
Okay. Why are you kneeling?
Alright, don't talk to him yet, because now he can wait. Do you know him?
I'm not paying for this.
I didn't ask you to. Because nobody's paying for anything, because you guys aren't going to buy anything.
Yeah.
Do you know him?
No.
Okay.
Well, I met him.
Okay. So the answer is no. This guy.
Yeah, this guy, yes.
You know him.
Yeah, I know him.
Who is he to you?
He's a friend.
Okay. Why are you guys here?
So there's a party that's being thrown this evening, and I just won't pay for this.
You want to pay for this?
No, I don't want to pay for this.
So why are we in a store expecting not to pay for things? That's not how it works.
Because he said, come over here and pay.
What?
I'm not going to pay for it. I saw all of a sudden, he went to get free wine.
Well, it's not free.
Wine without alcohol. And the decay is wine with alcohol.
I have no idea what you're talking about. You wanted the beverages?
No.
Okay, so why are we in a store trying to get beverages if you're not going to pay for it?
It's simple.
What's simple about it?
It's simple.
Comes to
He
the store, you
showed
have to
up. He showed up with this here.
Okay, so why are you here?
I'm here to pay for what we're going to consume at the hotel.
But you just said you weren't going to pay for it.
I'm going to pay for what we're going to consume at the hotel.
Okay, you have ID in here?
Yeah.
Do you guys want him here?
I think what I think is the other guy's trying to sabotage you.
Yeah.
He's trying to make you pay for something that you don't want to pay
They
for.
said, I wasn't here yesterday. The other security guard said the guy with the hat outside was here yesterday trying to buy like $200 worth of wine and stuff. And then he left for 7 hours, came back and like threw up fake that it wasn't paid for.
You guys want the trespass or?
I didn't
might as well.
for sure. This guy, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know him. So.
Yeah.
So no on him?
Yeah, the first time I ever met him. So. And he says he's not from here. He's from Canada, right?
Yeah.
He's from Canada.
Are you visiting or are you just?
We're visiting. I'm visiting.
How long have you been visiting?
2 days, 3 days.
When do you fly back home?
I'm flying back home next Monday.
Nice.
So Diana, maybe get someone to put all that back.
Because they're not buying anything.
You're not buying it.
Glad we're on the same page here.
So he used his card yesterday. $500 on it.
He used his card?
No, his card.
Was it your card or his card?
His card.
His card?
Where are you staying?
At his place, but now we're staying at a hotel.
Where's the hotel?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Have you been there?
Yeah.
So where is it? How far is it from here?
It's on the Worth Avenue.
Worth Avenue?
Yeah. It's on
You gotta go to the Publix at the town of Palm Beach, because this ain't gonna work.
yeah, you know, it's not.
So go over there. I'm sure they'll let you get away with acting like this too. We don't.
We don't.
No, we don't. And I'm going to explain it to you, and I'm going to explain it to your friend. You go into a business, you're expected to pay. Here in America, not sure how it is in Canada.
In
but we
Canada,
have
same
to
thing
buy
as in America. I'm from France.
Awesome, so you
I'm
guys
from
should
France.
know.
These guys are the same as you Americans.
Perfect. So then we're on the same page. Let's go.
I don't know why.
Come on. Let's go. And you're not grabbing anything. So.
Yes, I am. This here.
No, you're not. You're not
Yes, I
getting
am.
anything.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Okay. You're not paying for anything.
Yes,
because
I
they
am.
don't want you.
I don't care. I don't care what you want. I'm going to pay for that and this here.
You're not. Do you want him to buy this? No. They're allowed to refuse your service. They don't want your business. If you think you're going to buy it, go ahead. They're not going to check you out. And then when you walk out with the property, I'll arrest you for stealing. So your choice. You tell me. I'll take you to
Arrest
jail.
you for stealing.
Okay. So try to buy it. I'll meet you outside and I'll
Okay.
take you to jail.
I'll see you outside. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Go ahead. And then I'll take you to Palm Beach County Jail. Go.
Whatever.
Okay.
Whatever.
That's fine. I'll get overtime. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm going to.
Everyone, is there a unit out there? Come over here. I need cuffs. You ready? You just got told. You just got told.
I got told to go
You
outside.
just got told. So then let's go outside.
Whoa!
I'm gonna drop you to the ground if you don't put your arm out.
No.
You got 2 seconds. Got it? Telling you.
You said outside.
You're gonna come to the ground. 2 seconds. There you go. Bring it on. Quit resisting. Do you have another? No. Wait, one. Can I get another unit? John, you got other cups?
You have to get a real man.
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. You did that. Actually, just need another set of cups. I just need another set of cups. You have your other set of cups? You want to play this game? Because I really don't want to drop this old guy on the floor. So.
Is he resisting?
He's going to jail.
Are you resisting? I don't know.
They told you to leave.
Watch out, this is
Everyone's blood all over. You got it?
Are you resisting? No, you just can't physically put your hands behind your back. Hold on.
Can you do it?
No.
Stop.
He said you're going to see you outside.
We're trying to go
And they
outside.
told you
Jackie,
to
hold on.
stop.
Wait, you forget me. All I wanted to do.
Alright, so he is resisting. Alright, I just wanted to get that across. That's all.
You got it?
Come on, there you go.
You got it?
There you go.
I got blood all over me.
Yes!
Wait, one. I have a second one to fan.
No!
Oh, stop!
Well, let me stop.
Grow up.
Go up, no.
I'm gonna have the R5051 for... I got it. I was just asking.
I have blood all over me.
Because I don't even know.
Perfect. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did I not tell you that if you didn't leave, they didn't want your business?
Hold on. It's on the other side. I know. Clean yourself up.
Everyone, can I just get medication?
First of all, I'm not here to circle with you. I'm asking you a serious question. Do you need fire rescue? Yes, I do. Okay.
Yeah,
What are your medical concerns?
I have EMS coming.
Oh,
I just have his blood all over.
got his blood on you?
Yeah, his blood.
All right.
We got here. I asked. Got here, EMS said they were both spazzing out and by the farm.
This guy in there?
Yeah, so me and John go in. I asked him what's going on. He jumps up in our face because he wanted to be spoken to first. He gave us an issue, so we put him in cuffs, brought him outside. I went in to speak to him because he was being an asshole.
Oh, he told us to go in.
We asked him to sit. He said he wanted to go on his knees. So then I went back in to speak to him. Security and the manager's like, we're not letting him buy anything. So I said, I didn't have cuffs on me. I was by myself. So I said, you can't buy anything on him. I said, you can't buy anything. They're not gonna scan you. I said, so if you're gonna try, it's gonna be stealing, I'm gonna arrest you. And then Jackie came in and I said, you gotta leave, they don't want you here. He was continuing to try to pick up the belongings and then he resisted, he wouldn't go in cuffs. He never went in the ground, but the cuff caused a laceration as he was fighting and then...
So can I tell you my story?
No.
Hold on.
She told her story.
Yeah, he does.
Don't interrupt. Just stand in there.
I don't even know if I was...
We'll talk to you. We'll talk to you.
I didn't have cuffs because I had them on him. So when I saw you, I was like, all right, good, I got cuffs.
Well, that's the thing, because I was just going in to get a water.
Yeah, you got cuffs.
No, it's okay, I'm fine.
I told him to sit. He's choosing to
I'm fine to sit. I can just stick him out.
Just leave him because for now. Yeah, Jackie, you want to just wait there with him?
I'm probably not.
He's literally just pulling his car out. Yeah.
Hey, watch out for the blood. I'm just...
I have his blood all
I
over.
know, but still.
Same as I do. Sorry, maybe you should have just did what you were told. You have ID in here?
I gave it to you already.
Oh, is the other guy who didn't give me his ID?
I gave it to you.
I hear
Yeah,
ya.
the other guy was erratic from the get-go.
Okay. You have ID?
Beg your pardon?
You have ID?
Ow!
Oh, stop.
Ah!
You have ID?
Yes,
Where is
back
it?
pocket.
Yeah.
The handcuffs are hurting
It was
me.
such a mess.
Your pocket.
No, the handcuffs are hurting me.
I know, but if
Where are you
sit down,
from?
it won't hurt you.
Are you from Canada
30
also?
Sorry?
Are you from Canada also?
I live at...
Where's your ID?
the last container is my license, and my business, and my calling card is
Yeah, I
right
didn't
there.
ask for that. I asked for your license. And this isn't... So you're not from...
I
You live in
here-
Canada?
I live here half the year, and I live in Toronto half the year.
All right, sir, go ahead and stand up for me.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
He's being...
Sorry, they hurt.
Well, then I'm going to be
I cut this guy. He was resistant, but I got blood all over him.
Are you cut? Do you have cut?
No, it's his blood. I just didn't want
Go
to
grab
use
the
like
gun.
crappy hands. He's got a cut on his left arm. The one guy. Thank you. Would it be
Florida Statute Section 810.08, Trespass in Structure or Conveyance. A person warned by an authorized agent of the property to depart and who refuses to do so commits a criminal offense. With other persons present, this elevates to a first-degree misdemeanor. Under subsection 2B, punishable by up to 1 year in jail under Florida statutes, Sections 775.082 and 775.083. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3861989. Reasonableness of force is evaluated on three factors: severity of the underlying offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. Here, the offense is a nonviolent misdemeanor. The threat level is low. Active resistance is minimal. Force applied must reflect these conditions. The officer stated on camera, "I will get to a better reason to put you in handcuffs." The Fourth Amendment requires a seizure to be grounded in specific articulable facts at the moment of restraint, not determined after the fact. This statement raises a direct constitutional question regarding the lawfulness of the initial seizure. Key lesson document: probable cause before applying restraint, not after. Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting officer without violence. Three elements must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. The defendant resisted a law enforcement officer, the officer was engaged in the lawful execution of a legal duty, and the resistance was nonviolent. If the initial seizure lacked a legal basis, the lawful duty element fails and the resisting charge cannot stand. CPBV, State 899. So 2D 480, FLA. 3D DCA, 2005. Statements referencing a subject's national origin, even if not the direct basis for arrest, can become relevant in a subsequent civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 and the 14th Amendment Equal Protection Clause. Key lesson: officer statements on body cam are part of the legal record. Language that suggests bias, however incidental, creates civil liability exposure for the officer and the department. When a subject declares a medical condition prior to physical contact, use of force standards require officers to pause and assess before applying restraint. A laceration sustained during a nonviolent trespass arrest requires a use of force report and is subject to Graham reasonableness review. Tennessee v. Garner, 471 U.S. 11985 reinforces that force must be proportionate to the threat actually presented, not the offense category alone. Summary of applicable law in this incident. Florida Statute Section 810.08, Trespass in structure. Florida Statute Section 843.02, Resisting without violence. Graham v. Connor, 1989, Use of force standard. Tennessee v. Garner, 1985. Proportionality of force. 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Civil rights claim. Fourth Amendment. Lawful seizure requirement. 14th Amendment. Equal protection.